Number 5, here we're asking just to factor, and let's just set up our factoring here. So dash times dash is going to be equal to 30. Then we have dash plus dash is equal to 11. Those two numbers are going to be 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 plus 5 is 11. Here now you're going to divide by this number in front, which is just a 1x. Oh wow, there's no simplification because it's just 1. So it's x plus 6 and then x plus 5. B, same process. We want to find two numbers that multiply to make negative 80, and then a number that adds up to negative 2. Let's see, I think 8 and 10 works here. 8 and 10, 8 and 10. But one of them has to be negative. I think negative 8. Negative 8 times 10 is negative 80. Negative 8 plus 10 is negative 2. All right, so now you're going to divide by, oh no, I messed this up. So look, there was a GCF here. I noticed 2, 2, and 40. There's actually GCF here. The GCF is actually 2. So if you pull out a 2, you're left with x squared minus x minus 20. See? Always try to pull out the GCF first. Okay? So you're going to find two numbers that multiply to make negative 20. That adds up to this middle number of negative 1. And that looks like it is 4 and 5. 4 and 5. The negative's on the 5. Then you're going to divide by this number in front, which is just a 1x, not the GCF. You are left with x plus 4 and x minus 5. Do not forget about that GCF of 2 that is in front. Okay, let's do this one. Notice there is actually GCF here. Do you see negative 1? Okay, so pull out a negative 1 for the GCF, leaving you with an x squared minus 10x, because again, if you pull out negative from the addition, it becomes a negative 10. Then this becomes a positive 21. Right? Then we set up the dashes. Dash times dash is 21. Then the middle number, dash plus dash is equal to negative 10. That looks like it is 7 and 3. 7, 3, 7, 3. And oh, both of them are negatives, right? Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is negative 10. Right, so then we divide by this 1x, right? 1x, 1x. That's easy, doesn't simplify, so it's x minus 7 and x minus 3. Do not forget about that GCF in front, which is a negative 1. And then the last one, oh, there is also here GCF of 3, leaving you with an x squared plus 2x minus 36. Let's set up the dashes. These two numbers multiply to make 36. Then again, these numbers will also add up to